Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. In today's discussion, we're exploring how fiber optic cabling ensures safe data transmission even in extreme conditions. From oil rigs and military bases to underground transit systems and medical facilities, there are environments where reliability and security are non-negotiable. Extreme heat, freezing cold, heavy vibrations, and electromagnetic interference can all disrupt traditional copper cabling, putting critical communications at risk. Fiber optics solves this challenge by transmitting information as light signals instead of electricity. This makes fiber immune to electromagnetic interference, lightning strikes, and power surges, common threats in industrial and high-security environments. Specialized armored fiber cables are also designed to withstand physical stress, moisture, and chemical exposure, keeping data flowing no matter the conditions. In addition to durability, fiber ensures secure transmission. Any attempt to tamper with a fiber line is immediately detectable because it disturbs the light signal. This makes fiber an essential backbone for industries where both safety and confidentiality are crucial. Whether it's connecting remote military bases, supporting disaster recovery systems, or ensuring hospital networks run without interruption, fiber optic cabling delivers performance and protection under pressure. At Comm Systems, we provide certified fiber optic installations built to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring your data remains safe, reliable, and secure. Thank you for watching the Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.